हेलो मेडिकल एंड इंजीनियरिंग एस्पिरेंट्स। जैसा कि आप सभी लोग जानते होंगे अबाउट दिस ब्रांड न्यू लॉन्च बाय एमटीजी ऑब्जेक्टिव सीरीज फॉर फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, मैथमेटिक्स एंड बायोलॉजी विच इज़ वेरी हाइप राइट नाउ। बट क्या इतना खास है इन बुक्स में जो आपकी नीट, जे या और किसी भी मेडिकल एंड इंजीनियरिंग एंट्रेंस एग्जाम की नैया पार लगा सकती है? तो आज फाइनली हमें चांस मिल गया है टू टेक एन एक्सक्लूसिव इंटरव्यू विद एमटीजी's एडिटोरियल टीम, द कोर टीम। तो आइए जानते हैं ऑब्जेक्टिव सीरीज की कहानी हमारे एमटीजी एडिटोरियल टीम की जुबानी। So Atik sir, what is so special about this book series?
We see the expansive theories there covering the NCERT, and we have covered, I think it's a one-stop solutions for all kind of students. Those scattering JEE, NEET, apart from state level exam, all is covered in the objective series, and it's a one-stop solution.
What innovative tools or features this book series has that enhance learning?
Firstly, we have NCERT Connector, wherein we have taken questions from specific NCERT pages. Secondly, to make the topics clear for all the students, we have segregated the topics so that they can get a complete hold of that particular topic and the understanding develops accordingly. Thirdly, we have complete coverage wherein there are questions from foundation to advanced level as it caters our tagline basic to brilliance. Fourthly, it is a one-stop solution for all medical and engineering aspirants. Concludingly and most importantly, there are approximately 10,000 plus questions in each subject, which goes up to 40,000 questions.
What special ingredients have you added in each subject that makes it such a perfect recipe for competitive exam success?
Our special ingredient comes here, which is exam drill, in which we covers all type of categories in our questions like assertion, reason, statements, MCQs, numericals for students who are preparing for JEE Mains. If a student is diving into the preparation of competitive exams, so I think this is the special ingredient that they will get.
Is there anything specific in biology?
तो हमने इसमें निमोनिक्स ऐड किए हैं फॉर क्विक लर्निंग। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट पीसीएम में न्यूमेरिकल इंटीजर टाइप क्वेश्चंस आते हैं जो कि बायो में नहीं आते ऑफ कोर्स। इन दैट प्लेस हमने फिगर बेस्ड एंड ग्राफ बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस करे हैं। देन देयर आर सर्टेन सिलेबस ऑफ स्टेट्स व्हिच आर डिफरेंट फ्रॉम नीट, तो वहाँ हमने एक एस्टेरिक मार्क देकर लिखा है कि इट इज नॉट इंक्लूडेड इन नीट सो दैट इट हेल्प स्टूडेंट्स टू नो ओके ये पार्ट हमारा नीट का नहीं है।
There are already so many objective question banks are available. What makes MTG's objective series so different?
मेन डिफरेंस है वो ये है कि जो अवेलेबल हैं दे आर ओनली केटरिंग दी एनसीईआरटी करिकुलम, बट इन आवर ऑब्जेक्टिव वी हैव कवर्ड द सिलेबस फ्रॉम वेरियस एग्जाम्स अलोंग विद एनसीईआरटी करिकुलम। सो वी हैव कवर्ड दी ओल्ड क्वेश्चन आल्सो प्रायर टू 2015। तो वो क्वेश्चंस जो अब बहुत कोर सब्जेक्ट के हैं और अभी कभी कभी नीट में रिफ्लेक्ट होते हैं या जेई में रिफ्लेक्ट होते हैं, तो हमने वो क्वेश्चंस भी इंक्लूड किए हैं अंडर दी सेक्शन क्लासिक एग्जाम क्वेश्चंस।
How is this book series different from other MTG books?
So if we talk about other MTG books like NEET Champion or JEE Champion, so these books cater either NEET students or JEE students. But if we talk about this book can cater both NEET students as well as JEE students, because this book contains majority of questions of all previous year exams held so far for both medical as well as for engineering. So इसमें हम कह सकते हैं कि जितने भी अभी तक मेडिकल या इंजीनियरिंग एग्जाम्स हुए हैं उन सब के मोस्टली क्वेश्चंस अवेलेबल हैं।
Apart from this, I would like to add on that this series is aligned with NCERT curriculum as well as it emphasizes on the all engineering and medical national and state level exams. So it caters the students of foundational learning as well as advanced learning.
Why did you make 11 and 12 combined packages to buy?
If the students are preparing for like JEE, NEET competitive exams, so they need a very basic knowledge of the concepts like previous classes. So that's why in this series, the complete series, we have given all the syllabus in well organized and manageable form, so that student can go through with a detailed solution that we have already provided in this book.
Is there any way or any event going on that students can directly interact with you as editorial team?
Oh yes, the editorial team will be available at New Delhi World Book Fair, which will be held from 1st Feb to 9th Feb at hall number 6, stall number W03. So meet you all there.
So, why wait? Your exams are right around the corner. So grab these books and start preparing now. Visit www.mtg.in.